Hello and welcome once again. We are in the romantic city of Lake Udaipur, and this is our day 2 in the city. Our day 1 in Udaipur was wonderful, and if you haven't seen it, the link is in the description below. It started with the mesmerizing view of sunrise at Ambrai Ghat, and then we saw a 400-year-old Jagdish temple. After that, we headed to the majestic city palace. And then to see vintage and classic cars of Udaipur. And lastly to the Ahar Archaeological Museum. Now let's start our day 2. In the morning we started our day with the sublime beauty of Lake Pichola from a beautiful place that is Ambrai Ghat. This ghat is located opposite to Gangor Ghat. You will find a spectacular view of the city palace, Hotel Lake Palace and Jagmandir from this ghat. After Ambrai Ghat, we headed to Fateh Sagar Lake. Fateh Sagar Lake is around 3 kilometers from Ambrai Ghat. This lake is named after Maharana Fateh Singh of Udaipur. You can enjoy boating along with the stunning scenic beauty of Aravali hills that surrounds it from three sides. And this is the walking area known as Pal. Here you can enjoy fresh air along with the incredible view of the lake. Adjacent to Fateh Sagar, you can visit to the India's biggest public aquarium gallery, Under the Sun. After aquarium, let's go to Saheliyon Ki Wadi, which is around 1.7 kilometers from Fateh Sagar. This place was built by Maharana Sangram Singh during 18th century for the royal ladies and their maids of honor. As per the legends, the garden was designed by the king himself, and then he presented this garden to his queen. Years later, Maharana Bhupal Singh liked this place and built a pavilion of rain fountain. The brilliant architecture of the garden provides beautiful view. Just outside the Saheliyon Ki Wadi, there is a tea corner named Saheli Restaurant that serves healthy, tasty and refreshing lemon tea. This is the must-try thing if you are coming to Udaipur. This place has also been recognized by media and many prominent people across. In the evening, we headed to Bagor Ki Haveli. This place is adjacent to Gangor Ghat at the bank of Lake Pichola. Bagor Ki Haveli was built by Amar Chand Badwa, who was the Prime Minister of Mewar in the 18th century. The palace has over 100 rooms with display of costume and modern arts. In the evening, you can enjoy the performances of traditional dances and music of Rajasthan. Let's have a glimpse of it. In the evening, you can enjoy the dazzling view of the city and the city palace from the Ambrai Ghat. So guys, this was our day 2. See you tomorrow. So guys, if you like the video, hit the like button and share it with your loved ones. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, smash that red button and the bell icon.